Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with DocuSign step by step clearly. To begin registering with DocuSign, navigate to the official DocuSign website. On the homepage, look for the Sign Up or Start Free Trial button. Click on this button to start the registration process. You will be redirected to a sign up page. Here, enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again in the next field. Next, select your country from the drop-down menu. You may also need to agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. Once all fields are filled out, click on the Continue or Sign Up button. A verification email will be sent to the email address you provided. Check your email inbox for the verification message from DocuSign. Open the email and click on the verification link within it. This will redirect you back to the DocuSign website. You may be prompted to log in using your email and newly created password. After logging in, follow any on-screen instructions to set up your account preferences. Once completed, you will have access to your DocuSign account. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features available. Congratulations, you are now registered with DocuSign and ready to start e-signing documents. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.